Hey, how's it going everyone? My name is Vinayak and I'm the founder of Growth Lab Studio. In this channel, basically what I do, I talk about lead generation for local businesses, primarily using paid ads. In this video, I'm going to talk about best Google Ads bid strategy for lead generation. So, let's start the video. So, let's jump into bidding strategy. Come down to campaigns and then select your campaign and then settings and then bidding. First of all, whenever I start running a new campaign, I always try to get started with maximize clicks and try to figure out the roughly cost per click for the particular area the campaign I'm running for. Obviously the cost will be different for different markets. The reason we want to figure out the cost is to make sure we take control over the spending on our end. If you don't do this, Google will spend whatever they want, right? And will bid on the keywords blindly. But I always try to get the estimated cost of the keywords in the high range. So how you find the cost? You just go to your tools and settings and then keyword planner, and from there you can figure out the estimated cost for the click for your area, right? So before I make any changes, I make sure the conversion tracking is set up properly. The reason we want to set the conversion tracking is because we want to track everything from the ad, right? So without tracking, there is no solid reason to run the ads. After setting up everything, figuring out the cost, I let the campaign run for 2 to 3 weeks until I get around 25 to 30 leads from the ads. If you are spending more like $100 a week, what Google will do in this period, Google will learn everything from their end. Google will try to learn the customers behavior of the people that are clicking your ads, what they are searching over the internet, what is their purchase behavior, and who would be the perfect customer to show your ads to. The purpose of this bidding strategy is to collect as much data as possible. Based on the data, Google will now analyze the data from its end. So after running the campaign for 2 to 3 weeks and getting after 20 to 30 leads, I switch the bid strategy to maximize conversion. You just click on the bid strategy and then select bid strategy directly and then switch it over to maximize conversion. So just click on the drop down and select the bids. You just need to set a target CPA over here. Target CPA is not showing over here because I haven't set up the conversion tracking. But if you set up the conversion tracking, you will get a drop down box over here. You can set target CPA over here. The suggestion from my end will be set the cost a little bit higher than the amount you spent on maximize click, and let it run for more 2 weeks. What Google is going to be doing on their end is that they are going to be they know everything on their backend, who is more likely to convert into lead based on what they have been searching for. And with maximize conversion, you are pretty much telling Google that I want you to bid appropriately to put me in front of that person who is going to convert into lead. That's pretty much how you do with this bidding strategy. You are just putting the power in Google's hand to show the ad in front of that persons they are going to convert into lead. And that's pretty much how you do with that bidding strategy, is you are putting the power in Google's hand, saying like, get me more of these people. Meantime, do not just keep switching the bidding strategy. After setting up the bid, let it run for more 2 weeks, and Google really need time figuring out who would be the right person to show your ads to, right? In the meantime, keep the optimization going, keep the keywords that are working well, get rid of the keywords that are not converting. This is how you get those higher click-through rates and higher conversion rates. Obviously, you need to set up your accounts properly. You need landing pages also. But this particular bidding strategy is how you really kind of boost those conversion rates up. So don't make huge changes over the night, but keep the optimization where you have the balance, where you generating leads and you are not also hurting your account by bidding too low. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's the idea with this true strategy. If I'm starting out a new Google Ads campaign, I always try to start with maximize clicks, and over the time I switch it over to maximize conversion. But Google will take time from their end to really learn the behavior of the customer and who would be the right person to show your ads to. So give Google's a little bit of your time, and have that mindset that Google will not works overnight, because they need data to analyze your campaign and all, and who would be the right person and who would be the right person for your custom for your service, right? So give Google's a little bit of your time, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. And if you're a remodel business and you're looking to run Google Ads, who actually have experience with Google Ads and deliver you results, I would be happy to just do a free consultation. We can connect, and I can see if I can help you out. Then if so, we can potentially get a campaign up and running for you. I'll leave the Google form in the description box, as well as in the comment. Fill it up and I'll get in touch with you. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you get the idea. If you really enjoyed the video, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos, and if you have any questions, you obviously can comment down below as well. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.